Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
His Royal Majesty, the Paramount Chairman of Others in Oyo State. The king that enjoys the king as a king, the king that outwardly called the monarch is to God. We welcome Kabesi. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر إن شانئك هو الأبتر يا ويبا ولكن يا أتدو يا لكتو يا ملفا تبينك مساجد يا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم على بسم الله إنا أعطيناك الله فتوبة تاتلي وواء وكي الأساك كاري يبقى بسم الله لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله وكي بقوزنا لكم يأتلوك نبي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته وعليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته ní ẹ̀kánná gbogbo àwọn bàbá ọba tí wọ́n wà ní ìkàlẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn kábíyèsí ọlọ́mọṣàjẹ́ kárí yín pẹ́ ọlọ́wàlá hawlawàlá quwwata.
Thank you so much for watching. You want to see more? Click below and subscribe because we drop video every day. And if you have a show coming up, campaign, any kind of event, call us, we'll be there. And we are showing appreciation to our fans. So we are organizing a talent show which will hold on the 3rd of August 2018, which the best performers will be walking away with the cash prize and will be promoted on Bua TV for 2 months. So if you want to participate or need more info about this show, call this number below or check out this banner. Thank you.